doing for being older.
Gotcha. Okay. Throwing you off a little bit.
The whole reclass thing.
So here's what I'm gonna say, and maybe it'll help you. It'll help you look at it differently. The person who wins a lot of time when the tables are turned and like they're unbalanced, think about reclassing. We'll just stay on this. You playing with and against a bunch of guys that's older than you, but they're coming down in your age group. So it's like they have the advantage, right? But you have the advantage in the long run because you're getting all the development. They're going through the lane and they're having an easier time, like jumping over people, through people, finishing. When in the end, like eventually they're gonna have to play against folks older than them when they get to college. So you can never get away from it. But the beautiful thing for you is right now it's harder. So by the time you get to your senior year of high school and you go to college, you done already been through it. So it ain't no culture shock to play against somebody who's bigger, stronger, faster. You understand what I'm saying? So right now, bro, it sucks. I know it's uncomfortable, but really you cheat in the system. It's like you playing up. Q, you all right? Almost killed himself. All right, corner, we going straight to it, bro. Coach Jet's got the ball on the wing. Grab one of those contestant sticks for me, coach. Okay, Coach Jet, when you catch it, free throw line extended, you're gonna rip it, take 1 or 2 dribbles, then stop. Messiah, out of this corner, you're gonna go 1 step fake, backdoor, and then you're gonna take this handoff from Coach Jet, and you're turning the corner this way. Does that make sense? Now, the first finish that we have to make, Coach Book is gonna represent Jet's defender, so he's gonna be right here. Right? Or maybe it'll be me, but the defender that's guarding Jet is going to be in a drop. The defender that's on you is chasing you over the top of this handoff. So you take the handoff, you see where I am? Take like 2 steps up. Right there. This is how it looks in a real game when you turn in the corner sometimes. So you got to be able here to decide, can I turn the corner and get 2 feet in the paint? Do I need to look at Jet, maybe rolling or popping? Should I pull up and shoot? So today, first thing, we come off this, inside out, bam. Then we finish off 1, right hand at the rim. Does that make sense? Just repping that. Here we go. Come on. Do it again. Try to time your cut. Start walking in before he dribbles and gets to the 2-foot stop. By the time he 2-foot stops, it's too late. Good, better, in and out. Nice, Jet, here you go. Same thing, fly back, fly back, fly back, 1. Good, get there, get there. Come on, 2. Go straight over the front of the rim. Good. Good, 2 more, left step. Good, turn, 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 go, boom. Get up, straight up. Nice, 1 more, 2 more. Step fake, good. Turn the corner, turn the corner. So when you get the ball from Jet, I need you to speed up. Because in a game, we might not know that Coach Book is right there and like be kind of floating with our little skip dribble into inside out. But what you could do is try your best to make sure you're always in attack mode. So when you get the ball from Jet, go in attack mode instantly. 1 step, go. Good. Better. Good job. Okay, now, Coach Book is going to change the angle of his body. So instead of him being flat like this, he's now up like he's almost hedging. So he's following Jet because Jet's got to step on him. When he hands it off to you, now he's here and there's a gap. You got to split it. So 1 step fake, handoff. Do not slow down. It's the same motion where I'm trying to turn the corner. My footwork is boom, boom, not. I'm down because I don't know what he's doing. That makes sense? Plant that foot, plant it. Good. Finish. Left hand. Work on your left. Work on your left. Left. 2. Left hand again. Good. 3. Split. Good. Left hand. Good. Way to go off 2. 1 more. Nice. Finish that. Game. Okay. Now, Coach Book is too tight for you to split it. So Jet is here. Coach Book is hard showing. You can be inside the 3, Jet, right there, yep. You can always tell when the defense is not allowing you to split when they are attached. So now when you see that, you're still trying to turn the corner when you catch the ball from Jet, but you plant your foot. My left foot stabs in the ground. And I use that to push back. So when he reaches with this hand, I got to get outside that arm and then now attack right off his back. I'm not rounding out like that. I'm just going back and then straight downhill. 1, 2. That makes sense? All right. Take like 2 or 3 steps back. Try to get him to take the handoff from you at free throw line extended. Good. Good. 1. Get downhill. Downhill. Right hand. Push. Push. Why you go back that way? Think about it. Yeah, this is your right. Think about it. Which side of your body is he on when you do this? And then you go. He's on your left, right? So he's trying to recover. So is your defender. You put it back here. Whoop. That makes sense? Come on, push. There you go. Sometimes we add moves for no reason. Give me 1 second. Good, last one. Come on, last one. Good. Nice, 5. You all right? Okay, now we went, turn the corner. We split it. Then there was a hard show. Now you're gonna get trapped. So I'm gonna be behind you. Coach Book is behind Jet the same way, hard showing, slow motion. Handoff. Coach Book shows, I'm here. Back out, same thing. Now look, freeze it right here. From right here, Jet will be popping to that corner. You would have to, so right hand pound, step through with your left, reverse pivot, pass to your left hand. That makes sense? After you hit Jet, backdoor cut, get it back, score it, finish. That makes sense? Escape, escape, escape. Good, good. Nice. Dive, dive, dive. Ah, no. You already beat me. You already beat me. You did this. I was right there. So just keep the advantage. Escape, escape, escape. Reverse pivot. Good, go. Good. Now you don't need that bounce pass. Just air pass. You wanted to get to him as fast as possible. Bounce pass slows down the speed of the ball. There you go. Good. Good. Cut. Nice. Finish. Good job. There you go. Nice. Go, 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 go. One more. Last one. There you go. Good job.
Get out there.
Come on. Come on. Take the quickest path. The quickest path. Hey. Go again. You didn't stretch the trap. So when you get trapped, the worst thing you could do is just pick it up. I'm like kind of just like, but in a real game, we would just like really close this up. We get physical with you. You know what I'm saying? We kind of feed off your energy. So you gotta like, with your feet, you gotta create more space. Come on, 2 in a row. Good. Go again, bounce pass.
Let's go.
Come on. Good. Dive. There you go. One more. Come on. Good. Free throws, make 10. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now we adding a little bit of contact to some of these finishes. So you're gonna beat the preliminary defense, the guy guarding you, the handoff man's defender, but sometimes it's gonna be weak side help on the high school level. So I mean, you gotta like finish the play, understanding what you're getting yourself into, right? You can't think that you won the battle just because you beat them up there. First layup is a contact layup. So go left, jump, hit me with your right shoulder. Your footwork is left, right. Boom. Layup. Turn the corner, turn the corner, turn the corner. Good. Come on, come on. And one. Left, right footwork. Left, right, left, right. So instead of jumping and putting the ball over your head like this, it takes away all your athleticism. So you're going to go 1, 2, and look, my left leg pushes me this way. The ball is at this shoulder. Boom. Once I take that contact, then I extend and finish with my left hand. If I jump and I put the ball like this, I don't have any ability now to get the ball up. You'd have to bring it back down to, does that make sense? So you might as well just start off like this and then finish with the extension at the end.
Read.
Nice. Oh!
There it goes. There it goes.
There it is.
Stay tough. Stay tough.
You're like a different player.
Read.
Ah!
There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Not Messiah making contact layups. Hey! 2. Contact. Hey! Left hand. Left hand. You been flowing. Stay in it. Look like Donovan Mitchell. Downhill. Muscle man. Hey, big shoulder. Whew. You ain't hit me that time. Got to jump into me. If you jump and you hit me, my bump will straighten you up. But if you jump and just go straight and I bump you, then now I knock you sideways. So I'm going to correct you just by default. If you hit me, it knocks you straight. But if you jump and don't want no contact and then I touch you, you're going to go that way. Woo! Yeah. 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 You see the vision. Come on, into him. Hey! Now, don't compromise your ability to get the N1. Like, don't jump so far that now the ball has no chance of getting to his goal. I wish I would have learned this when I was young. The simple stuff, right?
Yeah.
Nobody taught me how to play through contact. Nice. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Last one.
Get him.
Good.
Get him.
Good job, Sire.
There it goes.
Yeah. That's it, man. Great stuff, coaches. Yeah, like I told you before we started, it's fun like this. You got bodies in here. We can give you different looks. And you making the most of it because you're just going hard, right? So next one. Coach is now at an angle, remember? So he's showing, but there's a gap, yeah. Way to talk to him, coaches. Way to talk to him. And one.
There you go.
So when you go to finish, sit down before you explode. Does that make sense? If we go like this and jump, we already fully extended, we straight up and down, so now when you get hit, you ain't got no balance. Try again. That split gotta be tighter. It's okay for you to take that dribble with your left. You can take it, but you gotta understand the space between you and coach who's hedging. Like, as soon as I take this here, I gotta be tight, like, pop, pop. Or if I do go between the legs, I gotta really lift this leg here and push it through my right. If I go behind the back, it's gotta be like I'm slicing. Left foot step, bam, behind the back there. Like, oof. Everything is down though. I'll take it. It's not always gonna be pretty. Nice. Come on. Hey! Wow. That's your best one. One more. Hey! Come on. Finish high. Split. Good. Way to play. Nice game. Good. Remember to be physical with Coach Book. When you pull back, you got to swipe his arm down at the same time. It's like a car going through a gate, right? We need the arm to lift up or the arm to move out the way. So when you pull back, Bam, get that arm out the way so we can go through that gate. What do you think? What do you think you should have did in that situation? I think you should have did what you did, right? Because I'm in the middle. I'm like right here. So if you go straight to the rim with no glass, maybe I'm able to get that, right? But I think what happened was you focused so much on me that you stopped focusing on your target. You gotta like still continue in a straight line, even if we bump into each other. Like you gotta put your shoulder down kind of and go through me. But once you jump to finish, you can see me in your peripheral. Don't worry about me. Just finish. That makes sense? You got to focus on your finish. Eyes make layups. Eyes make layups. Go. Good. Come on, straight. Good. That's better. That's better. One. Nice. Two. I'm not mad at that. Now, if you're going to flow with your left, get your left shoulder, your left elbow under the ball. That time it kind of came out. That makes sense? So with your right, you naturally do it. With your left, you got to focus. Good. One more. Nice. Good. What's the last read, coaches? There we go. Talk them through it.
Same pass out. Face up.
We got it?
Let's go with the fuck. There you go.
Good. Cut. There you go. Finish that. Good. Nice. You hear I'm talking to you?
Yeah. I got you.
There you go. Good. Just
Ball. Go. Two. Good pass.
Yep.
You stepped out? All right, no basket. So if you feel like we closing in on you there, true, but it might happen because you're going to play with dumb high school kids. So you get the handoff. If he's putting so much pressure on you that it feels like you're going that way, you have to go into his chest. Does that make sense? You can't just like not touch anybody. And they all are applying pressure to you. Be physical, bump him. Now you got space to pivot. That makes sense? So like he's saying be physical here, be physical on both sides of the ball. Without it and in the hand.
Stay low.
Good. That's it. Nice. Good work, Shia. Push. Go.
Good feet.
Make sure you talking. Last one. So when you cut and you want the ball, you got to make sure you communicate with him. Because when defenses start trapping, everybody plays faster, they get confused. Come on. Hey, trap. No basket, no talk. Communicate.
Hey.
Hey, trap.
Go.
Game time, free throws.
There you go.
Good job, coach.
Good job. Make my time. Skip it.
Need 10 of them. You all right? What's going on, everybody? If you're watching this YouTube video, please do not click away. This is not an ad. This is just a free offer from me to you. You're a part of the Transition fam, and I want you to win. So we've got a free mini course for all of the coaches and trainers out there. Just go to transitionbball.com, and on the landing page, first thing right there on the screen, it's gonna say, I would like to enroll. So make sure you hit yes, I would like to enroll, and you'll get access to our free mini course, 5 Misconceptions of In-Season Skill Development. This is Korey Harris. Appreciate you guys. Keep grinding. God bless.